Hello there, Samurai. It's DavinchyFX. Let's get straight into it. So now coming into the market, on a Friday. Yeah. So I'm making this video as early as 1 a.m. in the morning. So my outlook on the market. Coming in to look at my outlook on the market. As of yesterday, very late yesterday, market gave us another BS to the downside, invalidating our previous trade that we had since on Wednesday on EURUSD and on GBPUSD, because price did not retrace to where we wanted it to retrace to. But that is fine. Since now we got another BOS, price gave us another new range of structure. So we are marking out the point of interest. So now for EURUSD, I've shown it. Now this is for GU. So for GU, that is my point of interest. And if you want to know how I mark on point of interest, just enter the comment section and type point of interest. I will tell you how I mark out my point of interest. So now on GU, this is our setups for GBPUSD. So I went down to the 1 hour and the 30-minute time frame to be able to view a very more visible order block if I am looking to sell GBPUSD as of tomorrow. But if the setup does not play out, to be waiting for next week, or if we get another BOS to the downside and our point of interest will be changing. So, and that is that for GBPUSD. Then we'll be moving on to another pair, USDCHF. So on USDCHF, price give us another BOS to the upside as of yesterday. Then I went down to the 30-minute time frame to mark out a very more visible order block because I was not able to find it out. I was not able to look for a valid and vivid order block on the 15-minute time. So I just went to 30 minutes, marked it out. Then I went back to the 15 minutes, waiting for price to come to our POI by tomorrow, London session tomorrow. Then we'll be waiting for our confirmation to buy USDCHF. So now, I'm not an aggressive trader. I would never advise aggressive entry. I only trade based off confirmation. So the aggressive traders, that's fine. But for me, that's just what I am. That's what my model tells me to do. That is that. So you guys should like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you can get more notification on my setups. So now coming back to USDCAD, price gave me a BOS. It was formerly bearish, then it flipped bullish as of on Thursday, that is yesterday. So now I marked out another point of interest visible on the 15 minutes, looking for price to retrace there. But if price does not retrace there and goes ahead to give us another BOS to the upside, our point of interest will change. But for now, this is our analysis on USDCAD. So as easy as that. So you don't need to complicate things, you don't need to stress things out. Just just perform what you're already good at. A system that works for you, and that is a system that works for me. So for GJ, we marked out this analysis since on Saturday. Price was almost close to the POS of yesterday, then goes ahead to push away from it, to withdraw away from it. But at the same time, if price does not get to my POI, I would not be doing anything. No matter what, you don't make sure price does not give you FOMO, fear of missing out. Never be scared. Once you have gotten to the point that you have confidence in the way you trade, once you mark at the point of interest, if price does not get there, make sure you sit on your hands, because what trading is a game of waiting. You need to be able to sit on your hands and wait. So as of tomorrow, if price goes into my zone during London after sweeping Asian high and we get a confirmation, we'll be looking to sell GJ from that point. But if not, I will be sitting on my hand. But for aggressive sellers, you can sell GJ if GJ buys into that bearish order block, and that is that for GJ. Coming out to gold has been bullish ever since we marked it out since my previous videos. But for now, I was waiting for Asian session to be swelled by London as of today, then another BOS before a change of character. But price did not give me what I wanted. That's why I did not buy in gold. A lot of people bought gold and they got stopped out. But at the same time, you need to be able to know what works for you. I'll see you all in the next video.